I'm doing a vlog here at Artarmon, so enjoy. A14 now departing platform number 2. It's a Barara service. Stopping Chatswood, Roseville, Linfield, Kalara, Gordon, Pimble, Tarramara, Warrawee, Warumka, Waitara, Hornsby, then Asquith, Mount Colah, Mount Coringa, and Hornsby. There goes A14. 6. Penrith service. This announcement is telling you where it stops.
Redfern, Stratfield, Lidcombe, Auburn, Clyde, Granville, Parramatta, Westmead, Seven Hills, Blacktown, and then all stations to Penrith.
And that's exactly where it stops at. We have A26 to the left and another Waratah right to the right for a Hornsby via Macquarie Uni service. A43 is to the right, A26 to the left. Here's a nice cool view. We have Waratah A43 now departing. Service now arriving on a platform number 1. Front A70 is the set. St Leonard's, then North Sydney, then all stations to Central, Redfern, Burwood, all stations to Epping via Eastwood. He's just about to depart, platform number 1. Oh, that's a better shade. Oh, no, it's just sitting. Yep, okay, just sit. Just sit still. Just, okay. It's just not moving. There we go. It might have adverse signalling at the end due to that train. This is literally departing like 2 minutes after the other one, and it doesn't make stops at Waverton and Wollstonecraft, so yeah, that's probably why it's waiting here. Signal right there is SH6, which I think means Sydney to Hornsby or something like that. H20 passing, not in service. It's a bit of an odd sight to see an Oscar. H43. We have a Richmond service now arriving. A19 is the set. This will be all stops to the city. Waratah A19 now departs platform number 1 for a Richmond service. The train will be stopping all the Central, then Redfern, Burwood, Stratfield, Lidcombe, Granville, Harris Park, Parramatta, Westmead, Wentworthville, Pendle Hill, Toongabbie, Seven Hills, Blacktown, and all stations to Richmond.
The next train to arrive on platform 2 goes to Barara via Gordon.
We have a Waratah Barara via Gordon service. A63 is the set. And I'm going to wrap up the vlog. I hope you enjoyed. See you later. Goodbye.